Alright, very quickly, let me show you some of the stuff that these guys are doing now. So that's the 2725Z. That's very nice. The 3725Z. These are these are their wobble extensions. Let me grab the socket, show you. So they lock in pretty good. And then you can also pull them out. You get about 15 degrees. Wobble. And lastly, this guy right here. We do a lot of flanges, lining shit up, so basically what I got. This is the coolest shit. I'm gonna have to get the flex head on. But yeah, it's pretty cool, all the way down to this little guy. Really nice shit. Really, really nice.